welcome to our Grab and Go series. Today we are going to teach the child the names of the animals using the large animal picture cards from the cultural area. This exercise teaches the child the names of the animals. Let's watch the presentation. Judith, today we are going to learn the names of the animals using the large pictures of animals. Are you ready?
Yes.
Judith, this is a zebra.
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 Judith, this is an elephant.
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 Judith, this is a giraffe.
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 Judy, can you show me an elephant? Very good. Can you show me a zebra? Very good. Can you show me a giraffe? Well done, Judith. Judith, what is this animal?
This is a giraffe.
Very good. Judith, what is this animal?
Zebra.
Yes. Judith, what is this animal?
Elephant.
Very good. So today we have learned the names for a few animals using the large pictures. They are an elephant, a zebra, and a giraffe. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!